Do you want to know how you can convert Sweatcoins into PayPal cash? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have been using Sweatcoin app for quite a while. And in case you do not know what it is an app where you can earn just by walking. So it is a step counter where you will get paid per step. And one question I have often been asked is how can you then convert these Sweatcoins you earn into PayPal cash? Because it is not an option you can find right away. But there actually is a way to get access to PayPal cash through Sweatcoin. And in this video here, I will explain and show exactly how to get access to that and also go over some important things you need to consider to find out if it's actually a good way to earn PayPal cash. So before I go in and show you how you get access to getting paid via PayPal if you use Sweatcoin, let me just first quickly make it clear that this is not a full Sweatcoin review. As I already mentioned, it is an app where you can earn by walking. So you install it and then it counts your step and you get paid per step in what they call Sweatcoin. It will not give you a lot of earnings, but it can be a great way to keep motivating to actually move and to earn a little bit of coins just actually by having installed and not do anything that what you do anyways. But if you want to know all the details about exactly how to use it, I will leave a link below here to a full review and some tips and tricks about how to get the most out of it. In this video here, I want to focus on the question I very often have received about whether you can get paid via PayPal when you use Sweatcoin or not. And I will now log into the app and show you exactly how you actually can get access to PayPal. But before doing that, just let me quickly explain which countries you can currently join from, because it is not yet available in all countries. On the website, they have a list here of the current countries where it's available in. But as you can see, they are also planning to entering new regions soon. So they will keep updating this list. But as of recording this video here, these are the countries you can use it from, just to avoid any confusion so you know if it's actually an option for you or not. But let me now then show you inside and show you what kind of payment methods it has and how you can get access to PayPal. So I am now logged into Sweatcoin on my phone here, and I have jumped to the reward section down here. There's a marketplace here where you can see what you can use your coins for. Currently, I have close to 2,000 Sweatcoins, as you can see here when I go to my wallet here. And then I would just go into the reward section there and see if I potentially can get anything from that. And you can see some of them here. This one, for example, this would only be 50 Sweatcoins I would actually have to spend for this. But many of these are just where you can get certain discounts for certain products or certain services. And that's very often what you can find here. But you can also sometimes find other things. You can, for example, also donate to charities. And you can also sometimes find bigger offers, as you can see here. But here I would also need, for example, to earn 20,000 here to get this GoPro, for example. There's also some great trips here you can go. And sometimes they also have auctions where you can usually win gift cards or other great products, sometimes worth thousands of dollars or something like that. But the rewards here will vary from time to time in my experience. I have had Sweatcoin installed for more than a year, and sometimes this changes around exactly what is available. But one thing that you cannot find here at first is PayPal. And that definitely is confusing because many people would like to actually be able to take their earnings out as cash. But I will just scroll down here because now you can see here, I actually have access to different PayPal payout methods here. And there is certain things you need to do to actually get access to this here, because you need to become what they call a Sweatcoin influencer to be able to get paid via PayPal. So let's go over what you need to do to become a Sweatcoin influencer and if it will even be a good option and worth it for you. So how do you then become a Sweatcoin influencer? And before you can become that, you actually need to invite a certain number of people, and then you will automatically suddenly see this section down here where you can suddenly get paid via PayPal. According to the information they have inside the app and also on the website, you need to invite 30 people to get access to this Sweatcoin Influencer section here. However, what I found was that I actually got access to the Sweatcoin Influencer section here already when I had invited 20 people, which is what I currently have invited. It is not an app I have invited a lot of people for, but I do actually enjoy using it as a step counter, and therefore I also think it can be nice to recommend to people that are interested in actually keeping a track on their steps and keep motivating to move a little bit more and earn a little bit at the same time. But then once you become an influencer, you can click, for example, if I choose this $25 option here to see more information. You can see here that to be able to then redeem $25, I would need to invite 50 people. So I cannot actually get paid in PayPal yet. I have currently only invited 20 people. But if you're not yet a member of Sweatcoin, then I will leave a link below here so you can join through my invitation link and then help me actually reach the payout threshold. And then I will make another video where I actually show how to withdraw via PayPal and show the payment proof. So you are definitely more than welcome to use my invitation link if you're not yet a member of Sweatcoin. But as you can see, in addition to that also, I would then have to pay here 250 Sweatcoin. And I also just jumped to the $100 PayPal option here. And you can see here suddenly then I need 250 invites to get paid $100. But to get $25, I only needed to invite 50 people. So it doesn't quite make sense. There's not as such a good conversion ratio there, because you can see that then you would figure out that usually I would think that if I will have to invite 50 people to get $25, then I would need to invite 200 people to get $100, like times it by 4. That would definitely make sense, but that's not quite how it works here. You can see that your invites actually get worth less the longer you wait to actually redeem, which is quite strange, but it's just something to be aware of. That is just how it is. But anyways, they have certain rules for how you can actually invite people, and they also describe all that here. And they also have a section here where they have certain posts here you can share, so you can share them on social media and use that as promotion material. But just be aware that you're only allowed to share these once per day on social media to avoid spam, because they do not want you to spam, and that is always a good idea if you actually want to post anything on social media to invite other people. But that of course limits it quite a bit, and it will be quite hard to actually earn good money by inviting other people to Sweatcoin. And it is only by inviting other people that you can actually earn PayPal cash. You will still have to use your Sweatcoins that you earn by walking and inviting people. But if you do not invite people, you cannot actually exchange your Sweatcoins into PayPal. And that's very important to understand. So for that reason, in my opinion, it is not a good option for all, actually, as it's not for all to start inviting people. And also, I would say that if you are only doing it to earn PayPal cash, then it's not a very effective way, because then there are plenty of websites and apps where you can just join and directly start earning PayPal cash without having to invite other people. So I would say it's only worth going for the PayPal option here inside Sweatcoin if you really like it and you want to tell other people about it anyways, and then you can earn a bit of extra PayPal eventually at the same time. But if you just mainly want to earn PayPal cash, then there just are better ways to do that. I will leave a link below here also to a video I have about many different methods to earn PayPal cash online for free. So overall, as you can see, it is actually possible to earn PayPal cash inside Sweatcoin, but it is not as easy to earn PayPal cash here as it is on many other apps and websites that offer PayPal as a reward. It requires quite a bit of effort, and it will require you to actually invite other people to be able to earn PayPal cash. If you do not want to invite people, then you cannot get paid in PayPal cash inside Sweatcoin as of recording this video anyways. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you understand exactly how the payout methods work on Sweatcoin and whether it is a good option for you to earn PayPal cash this way or not. And if you're not yet a member and want to actually join Sweatcoin, whether you want to join it to earn PayPal cash or if you just want to earn some of the other rewards and use it as a step counter, then I will leave a link below here so you can join through my invitation link. And you are of course welcome to use that to support me if this video helped you. But no matter what, just remember also to like this video here, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.